Hello guys, what's up? It's me, it's Pinili Vlog. Ayan guys, magmumukbang naman tayo ng sandwich plus bola-bola with canton with egg. Wow, snacks po natin ngayon guys. So shoutout po sa lahat and happy weekend. So thanks for coming by. Don't forget to like, comment, and watch. Guys, sana may pagkain kayo. Guys, nagugutom talaga ako guys. Actually, galing lang sa trabaho. So yan, mag-snacks muna tayo guys. Sandali kasi nagutom yung tiyan ko. And salamat sa mga silent viewers. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Gutom talaga guys. And mukbang 2 minutes guys. Sarap and very spicy. Maanghang siya talaga guys. Super duper. Ayan, 2 minutes ang mukbang guys. Napakasarap. Actually guys, ang partner ko guys ay ang pangtulak ko ay tubig. Masarap talaga kainin guys pag maanghang tapos mainit, bagong luto. Ayan, yummy. And shout out sa aking mga commentators, sa mga nag-share di ay, and sa mga dumadaan sa comment section. Thank you for coming. Maraming salamat and most thank you. Ayan, always naman ako nagte-thank you guys. Update lang guys kasi para may maiko-content kahit pangit ang content, but actually nag-upload lang tayo. Then sige muka. So that could be all. Thank you once again. Good afternoon, good morning Philippines. Ayan, naubos ko na guys. Hanggang dito na lang guys.